NOF Energy has brought together the major businesses involved in offshore wind here in the northeast of England.
Well, it's really a fantastic opportunity to absolutely showcase the region. We probably have the finest region in the UK in terms of offshore renewables, and with a location right on the east coast, ideally placed for Round 3 and German waters, it's just a fantastic place. There's been fantastic investments by companies here, more than £100 million worth of investments over the last 2 years in focusing on the renewables industry. And it's really building that supply chain that can support renewables. And of course, with the heritage and the history here, that's pretty straightforward for the companies in the northeast.
We've also got to remember we have a much wider supply chain here in the northeast and indeed throughout the UK. And EnergiCoast would be the ideal platform to bring all that together.
I think the northeast has a very crucial role to play, not least of all because it's so close to many of the areas that are going to be the biggest site for offshore wind. In the Dogger Bank, for example, we have an area in the North Sea with very shallow water where there's potentially enormous big energy resource when it comes to offshore wind. And that area is about the same size as Wales, so you can imagine you can put an awful lot of offshore wind turbines in there, and somebody's got to make them, and it's usually better to make them closer to where they're going to be installed. We can benefit from the supply chain, from all of those investments that are going to be going on out to sea and here on shore. They're going to be real jobs back here at home.